Rafale is back in the headlines. 9 fast facts. Go. Fact 1. Twin-engine, delta-wing, multi-role, built by Dassault. Fact 2. First flight 1986, in service 2001. Fact 3. Carrier capable, it launches from ships. Fact 4. Top speed around Mach 1.8. Fact 5. RBE-2 ASA radar for long-range tracking and targeting. Fact 6. Modular weapons loadouts, air-to-air, air-to-ground, plus anti-ship, and nuclear deterrence capable. Fact 7. Pilot-friendly cockpit, glass displays, and HOTAS controls. Fact 8. Exports include India, Egypt, Qatar, and Greece. Fact 9. Continuous upgrades, advanced sensors and EW suites, low observable coatings, and new weapon integrations. 9 facts, short, lethal, versatile. Want a deep dive? Comment the number.